Did you know that if you use Noomu, you can essentially cancel your Calendly subscription? Because you can do appointment booking right on your site. There's a widget that you can add to any page, and you can control your appointment schedule and connect it to Google Calendar so that it keeps track of when you are booked, and it also avoids double booking you as well. So you're already paying for your new builder. No need to pay extra costs on top to have Calendly when you can manage that all from your website. I will show you the steps required to get this set up. So the first thing you would do is you would go under appointments, and you need to have an operator, and you need to create a booking event. And we have one here. So you can set up either first, but the operator is required to put into the booking event. So let's start with that. And your new account has a certain amount of operators that you're allowed to have. You can add more in your dashboard if you want, in case you have a coaching team or something like that. But generally speaking, you might just need one. So we have added this discovery call coach. And if we look at the settings, basically you can put in an email, you can describe what they do, and you can also upload a photo of that operator. And here is where you would connect to your Google Calendar. Then you just log into your Google account and you would walk through the steps of approving it, and then it'll send you back and your Google Calendar will be connected. So that way, when you get booked in this system, it will put that on your calendar, and then it also, before giving people your available times, it will check it's not a conflict. So now we have booking operators. In most cases, that's just going to be you and you'll put your information in it. But when you make a booking event, you would just click that button there to create a new one. But let's just look at the settings here. So on the first page, you put what the event is, what the description is, where you're meeting, if it's Zoom or something else. You can also send out a reminder before the meeting, automated, and you can also email them with the details of their appointment. In this page, this is where you're going to actually put in the operator. So if you had more operators, you could add one there as well. So that will make sure that nothing is booked without checking that calendar if they have connected their calendar. You can have it choose automatically, or people can choose. And then you also want to put how long the meeting will be, how far in advance you want to make this schedule. So maybe you wanted fill in the next few months. You can put your availability every day, and you can add days that are excluded. So this can just be in general excluded days where you're not going to offer these services, but it will check your Google Calendar as well. So if you have more than one operator, you don't work on certain days or something, or there's a holiday, and you might just want to put that in here. And then you can decide the increments, how many times they can see in a day. This default is every 30 minutes. So they'll see if appointments are available. It'll be at 1:30, 2, 2:30. Schedule how far in advance they have to be in order to schedule. So in this case, if it's less than 24 hours till the next day, they won't be able to book anything. And then you can also choose the buffer time between your appointment. And if you want to limit the number of sessions you do in a day, or the specific operator, you can specify that as well. You can collect whatever information you want from them. You can add any fields. It's just like our regular forms, and you can put whatever you'd like there. And then you can either make them go to a thank you page. So by default, it's a confirmation message, and it'll pop up and it will show them the information about their meeting on this screen. Or you can send them to a brand new page that you make if you prefer. You can also if you use the default, you can also put a call to action button if maybe you want them to go somewhere else. And then that's it. So you can save all your changes, and now your booking event is ready to use. So we'll go over to the builder now, and we have a page already set up for choosing your appointment time. The booking widget is already here, so it works just like this. So when I refresh, shows all these appointment times available in the next couple weeks because that's how it was set in there. Obviously, when you add your schedule, it'll be different. They can pick their time, add their name and email, and phone number is optional. And then they click that and see this is the default one. So it says this doesn't have a Zoom link because we did put it in, right, in the settings. But if it was put in the settings, the link would be clickable right here. And it also says that they're going to get something in their email because that's the description that we put in. So let's also talk about how you can do this from scratch. You go here, add widget, and it's under lead generation and it's booking. And then you would choose your booking event. This is basically for the styling and stuff as much as you'd like. You could also make them be added to a member profile if you want. But what you probably do want to have is add them to a mailing list. Maybe it's your discovery booking call and tag them perhaps so that they have booked discovery call. And then you'll be able to have that information where maybe later you're going to be emailing people who are on your list who haven't had a discovery call, or you just want to email the people who have had a discovery call. Same thing that Calendly does for you, but you can have it all going here. You can add these widgets to any page. You can add them to your circles. You can add them anywhere you'd like. You can also link to the page. Obviously, you make this page and you have this link here that you can send people to book at any time. You can add that to your emails, etc. So if you have any questions about how it works, the steps, troubleshooting, just let us know. The comments area is all wide open for you. We'd be happy to help you out. And if you're not using Noomu yet, you can try us free for 14 days. We have a builder, built-in store. Your email marketing is included. We've got community features. We also have built-in quizzes, pop-ups, funnel builders, and more. It's essentially an all-in-one business builder that will help you cancel a lot of your subscriptions, including that email marketing, or if you use a separate shopping cart or store or a community platform, it's all in one here for you. You could try us free for 14 days, and we would love to see what you build.